Hello everyone, and welcome to one of the latest talk of this wonderful Odoo experience. First of all, I want to thank you all for being here today, especially after 2 big days. Last but not least, we are now going to talk about loyalty program, and more especially about how to manage your loyalty programs, coupon and promotion efficiently using Odoo. First thing first, I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Thibaut, and I am one of the sales and marketing experts for the business analyst team. It's a pleasure to meet you all, and I think we have something in common that we want to discuss. Indeed, as marketing manager, have you ever felt like you spend a lot of time and money managing your loyalty programs? You have too many touch points and you don't know how to deal with it? You are not sure on how your loyalty programs are currently working? Then you are at the right place. Yes, loyalty programs are very time consuming and costly. In the long term, you will multiply the strategies, the tools, and also the platform if you are not using Odoo. In the long term, you will not know anymore where to look at. Besides that, we know the advantages of using loyalty programs. But if we lose control on them, the results can be catastrophic. You will lose money, that's for sure. But most of all, you will lose the trust of your customers. Isn't that the exact opposite of what you want to do here? So I think we will agree on the fact that effective loyalty program management is essential. If it was not the case, you will probably not be here today. Or maybe you are just curious. Anyway, let me now go through 5 different statistics that I found and that I want to share with you. The first one is that 80% of people can recall the messaging of a brand after receiving our promotional product. People will know you, but people will also remember you. The second one is that up to 90% of consumers use coupons in some way. They will be looking for it and they will for sure using it. After that, the global gift card market is expected to hit $584 billion on or before the year 2026. This means that $600 billion will be converted into gift cards. That's a huge amount. The fourth statistics is that 75% of consumers say they favor companies that offer rewards. And finally, 48% of people expect specialized treatment for being a good customer. Yes, that's a lot of amazing statistics. But why did I choose them? I choose them because each of these 5 statistics concern a specific step of a very well-known concept, the customer journey. Loyalty programs, coupons, and promotions are present at every stage of the customer journey. I will then use this concept in order to introduce you to the new features of the Odoo 16, but I will also use it in order to do our demonstration. We are there. What's new in the Odoo 16? We'll find 2 new places in order to configure all your programs. At Odoo, we distinguish 2 big families that will be accessible through 2 different menus. The first one will concern the discount and the loyalty. In this place, you will be able to manage all the discount and loyalty programs in a single place. Those programs are mainly made in order to answer specific strategy or for marketing purpose, for example. I'm thinking here about the awareness, the consideration, the retention, or even the advocacy step of the customer journey. The second place is dedicated for gift cards and e-wallets. In this place, you will be able to generate gift cards very, very fast. This is also in this second place that you will be able to use our brand new e-wallet. But why separate these programs for the others? Remember our customer journey again, and more especially the purchase step. Yes, here we consider this step, we distinguish this step from the others. Indeed, at Odoo, we consider gift card and e-wallet as payment method, and that is why we choose to give them a specific place and a specific treatment. No need to look to a specific menu in order to application menu, in order to find your programs. All programs are cross modules, and they will all be centralized. You will have a complete freedom to choose where you want to use it between the sales application, the point of sales application, or the website and the e-commerce application. Finally, all these programs will be working with a new rules and rewards system. This is a very powerful system that allows a lot of different possibilities. However, this system being quite complex, Odoo offers plug-and-play programs that allow you to configure it very quickly and to adapt it very easily. In very short, how does this system work? We'll be able to grant credit or points depending on conditional rules. In a second step, you will be able to exchange this credit or points in order to give rewards to your customer. Let's now jump into our demonstration, and let me introduce you to the Butterfly agency. What is Butterfly? Butterfly is a travel agency with an amazing value proposition. They provide unforgettable travel experiences with a positive impact. Amazing, right? In the past, Butterfly were selling custom and tailor-made city trip to their customer, and they were selling it directly through their physical store. But today, they want to offer a more accessible solution to their customer, and they want to sell new products with a new e-commerce. By new product, we are thinking about city trip books, for example, about city trips themselves, or even extra donation that the customer can add to their cart in order to have a better impact. Welcome to the Butterfly agency. You are our new marketing manager, and your mission will be to launch this new product and our new e-commerce. In order to do so, you want to use discount and loyalty programs. You also want to impact every step of the customer journey. Let's start that then with the awareness step. Indeed, you want the people to know you and you want to communicate about it. What you have in mind for that is to create and to give 20% off every city tip that will be available on your website. Let's then jump into our database in order to create our first program. I will then go to the sales application and in our discount and loyalty menu. You can see here that you have all the pre-configured programs already there. You just have to choose your first program. Let's then choose the promotional program. It's already configured, but I want to adapt some things here. I will then use this program only on the website. I will then only choose the website. After that, I want to change my conditional rules in order to restrict my product only for the city trips. I will then click on it and select my city trip in order to use the trips. I will save it. We are done for the conditional rules. Let's adapt our rewards. I want to increase it a little bit and give 20% off for this promotion. I save it, I save my program, and congratulations, your first program is set up. But that's not all for the awareness step. I also want to show my customer that they have the possibility to add an extra donation to their cart in order to increase their positive impact. In order to do so, I will choose the Buy X Get Y program in order to give 1 plus 1 extra donation for free. Perfect. I want to use it on all my applications. Of course, I will have again to change my conditional rules and my rewards. Let's start with the conditional rules. I want the minimum quantity to be 1, and I want it to be applied only on my extra donation. That's it. For the rewards, I want to give an extra donation in exchange of 1 point, because it's 1 plus 1 free. Let's save it. Let's save the program, and you are done for the awareness part. Let's test it directly on our website. Your customer is then on your website and will be able to go on your shop. He will add the city trips today in their cart. Let's see what happened then. Cool, You see that your 20% off is already applied. That's wonderful. And you want now to test if the extra donation, the 1+1 extra donation, is working. I will add it to the cart. And wonderful, you have your product and your extra product for free. Your customer will now be able to process to the checkout and move forward in his journey. Let's jump back into our discount and loyalty programs. People are knowing you, but you know that some people hesitate to buy your product. You want them to give a little help in order for them to choose your product instead of another product. Let's then create a new program, and let's create a discount code. Perfect. I choose the program type discount code. The reward is already suiting me. I will then just have to change the promo code. I will choose butterfly 10. Perfect. It's done. Let's quickly test it on the website. I will add butterfly 10 into my cart. You can see that your customers are now able to claim his 10% discount. Cool. Now we are reaching a specific step of the customer journey, the purchase step. Remember, we have to go to another menu here in order to create it. Here we want to give our customer the possibility to have an alternative payment method. But most of all, we know that it's sometimes hard to offer a gift to friends, to choose a specific product for our friends. That's why we want to give the possibility to sell gift cards on our website. Let's create it, and it's already done. Everything is already pre-configured. Of course, here you will have to choose a product in order to sell it to your different application. Sales application, point of sales application, website e-commerce application. If you sell this product, it will automatically create a gift card. But here we are going to quickly generate a gift card from here. Let's select a customer, for example, customer 1, and I want to give him 50 euro. I generate and send the gift card. And the gift card is here and already sent to my customer. That is amazing. I will go back on my gift card and loyalty system. Now, your customer just bought your product. But you know that it's not a single shot. It is your chance to create a relationship with your customer. And of course, you want your customer to come back. For that, we are going to use the next order coupon program. And we are going to call it retention. Of course, you got it. It's for the retention step. Here, nothing to change. I want to give a coupon if my customer buy a minimum of 100 euro on his order. I will save it, and that's it. After that, in a relationship, you can have up and downs. Here, I will be talking about the downs. Your support team is contacting you, telling you that some customers are disappointed about the product and that they want to give them a specific discount. Let's then create a coupon program that we are going to call support 20%. 20%, perfect. We are going to use coupon. We will not use conditional rules here because we will be able to generate your coupons step by step, case by case, sorry. And here I want to give 20% reward. Perfect. It's set up. Assume that your support is contacting you telling that customer 1 is a little bit disappointed and they want to give him a specific coupons. Okay, perfect. Let's select customer 1, generate, and send him the coupons. You can see here that the coupons is automatically sent right here. Perfect then, and congratulations, you are engaged with your customer. If you look in the long term. You don't want to lose this customer, and you want to maintain the relationship. What better way here than using a loyalty card? We'll then use the loyalty cards and call it loyalty cards, for example. And that's it. Here, it's a good example to show how our system works. We'll be able to grant 1 loyalty point per euro spent, and your customer will be able to choose our rewards that he will be able to exchange for this loyalty points. Here, it's already suiting me, but I just want to add the opportunity to give a free product. The free product will be exchanged for 400 loyalty points. And I want to give my travel guide, my very famous travel guide to my customers. I will save and close. And we are set up. Now we are going to test it directly on our sales application. I will create a quotation for my customer 1 again. He wants to buy the city trips today. I will save and confirm it. Perfect. I will just check if my customer has some promotion. Of course, he has no promotions. And we are going to look what happened in our discount and loyalty programs. We can see that on the retention program, 1 coupon is generated from our customer. In the same times, we can see that 1 loyalty card is also generated from our customer, and that he has 150 points on his loyalty card. Let's create a second order in order to see what happened. You want to buy this time the city trip of 5 days. I will save and confirm it. Let's check the promotion now. And yes, of course, it's perfectly working. Your customer is able to choose his retention program, and he can also exchange his points for specific rewards. Here I will choose the loyalty cards, and my customer want to have the guide for Canada. Let's apply it, and it's done. Perfect. You are now a real master in terms of loyalty programs. Better, faster, and stronger are 3 words that can resume our talk. Better centralization, we were able to see that everything is centralized in 1 single place. Faster setup, no need to explain any more about it. See how fast we were in order to set up our campaign. Finally, stronger software engine. A lot of possibilities with this new system. Thank you, and don't hesitate if you have any question.
I don't think so. It's not planned for me.
Okay. In POS, how can I define a free drink for each employee? I have daily, and if he will take another drink, he should pay.
Looks like a very specific use case, so maybe I invite the one to come see me
come
right
later.
after and to test it directly into
Okay.
the database.
Perfect. We have another one. Can you combine or exclude discount rules per product or promotion?
You can. What can you repeat?
Can you combine or exclude discount rules per product or promotion?
So you can, of course, adapt it and change the conditional rules. But if you want to exclude product, of course, in the debug mode, for example, you can go deeper in the configuration and use a domain, for example, in order to restrict a little bit the product that are used. But each program are separate. So.
Okay. Can coupons be registered in mass and not 1 by 1?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
We can test it right after or test it now, but I think there is a lot of question. But you can select the quantity of coupons that you want to generate and the amount, for example, as for the gift card, you can select 100 coupons of X amount and that's it.
Okay. And can we see if a coupon, can we see if a promotion has been used?
Yes, because you play with points. So if the points are at 0, it means that the program has been used 1 time, and of course you can see on which sales order it has been used and so on. So with Odoo you have all the filters group, and so you can do the report you want with that.
All right, let's jump to the last questions. Is it possible to combine it with recurring products? Example, book for 1 year and get first 3 months for free.
Book one. Again, there is a lot of possibilities. So depending on the points and how you use it, it's again a use case that you can try right after for the one who asked this question. If it's online, feel free to contact me.
And then we have a last one is saying, is there any buy one, get any item promotion?
Yeah.
Okay.
1+1 for free, for example.
Okay,
We
perfect.
just made it in our demonstration.
Yeah. All right, so anything you would like to say to wrap it up?
Thank you, everyone. And I hope you enjoyed this Odoo experience.